Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Lutfiaditio from Bogor.
My name is Fahri Aufariskula from Bekasi.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Zaki Firdaus from Jakarta.
As you can see on the screen, our topic today is computer and inside the computer. Computer, Introduction to Computer and Inside the Computer English lesson. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it according to a set of instructions called a program, and then produces output. It can store, retrieve, and process data, helping with tasks like calculation, communication, design, entertainment, and much more. Function of computer. A computer performs several key functions that enable it to process data and deliver meaningful results. These core functions are commonly referred to as the IPOS model: input, processing, output, and storage. Some models also include control and communication as additional functions. 1. Storage. Computers store data and instruction for immediate and or future use. This includes both temporary storage or say RAM and permanent storage hard drives or SSD. Number 2, communication. Computer can communicate with other subsystem and device through networks, enabling data exchange and resource sharing. Number 3, control. The control unit within the CPU manage and according all active within the computer, directing the flow of data between the CPU and other device. Number 4, this is the storage where data and instruction are entered into the computer system. Input devices such as a keyboard, mic scanner, and microphone are used to provide this data. Number 5, processing. Once the data input the computer control central processing unit CPU process the CPU perform calculation and logical operation to transform the raw data in meaningful information. Number 6, output. After processing the computer delivery, the result struck output device like monitor, printers, or speakers. These allow user to receive and interpret the information. Uh, Next, types of computer. Computer type are divided into five. Mini computers. Mid-size computer used by small business and manufacturing. Microcomputer, personal computer, common computer like desktop, laptop, tablets, and smartphone for everything use. And last, workstation. High performance computer designed for teaching or scientific application like for gaming maybe.
Supercomputers, extremely powerful computer used for complex tasks like weather forecasting and scientific simulation. Mainframe computer, large computer used by big organizations for data processing. Daily use of computer. Some example of computer usage. 1. Word, creating document, presentation, and remote working. 2. Entertainment, watching movies, listening to music, and playing games. 3. Healthy, booking appointment and accessing health information. 4. Education, online class, research and assignment. 5. Communication, sending emails, chatting and video calls. 6. Banking, managing bank accountant. The next material is inside the computer. Introduce. What is inside a computer? Inside a computer there are many important components that work together to make the computer run properly. What is important to know about the parts? First, better understanding helps you know how a computer works. Either troubleshooting, you can fix small problem yourself. Third, smart buying decision. You can choose the right computer for your needs. For upgrading and repairing, you can upgrade parts to make your computers use. 5. Saving money. Knowing what you need can prevent spending on units repair or upgrade. Next, main part of a computer. CPU or Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer that processes instructions. Second, RAM or Random Access Memory is temporary memory that helps the computer work fast. Third, hard drive or SSD, yakni storage data, programs, and the operating system. Fourth, motherboard. Motherboard is connect all the parts and lets them communicate. Power supply unit or PCU provide electrical power to all components. Next, cooling system. Cooling system is keep the computer from getting too hot. Next, input device. Input device is tool like keyboard and mic. Nice. Next, output device. Output device like tool like monitor and printer.
CPU the brain. 1. Controls all operation. The CPU controls all operation inside the computer by processing instructions and managing the flow of information between different parts. Second, process information. The CPU processes information by taking input, performing calculation, and sending the result to the right parts of the computer. Third, example, Intel Core AMD Ryzen. Intel Core 8 i3 i5 i7 i9. AMD Ryzen 8 Ryzen 3 Ryzen 5 Ryzen 7 Ryzen 9. Next, power supply unit or PSU. 1. Converts the electricity for the computer. The power supply unit converts electricity from the wall into usable power of all parts of the computer. The second provides power to all components. The power supply unit provides power to all components, ensuring the computer runs properly. Example, the PSU takes electricity from the wall and powers the CPU, motherboard, hard drive, graphic card, and fans, making sure everything works together. Next, cooling system. 1. Fans and heatsinks. Fans move air to cool down the computer parts. Heatsinks absorb and spirt heat away from hot components like the CPU. Why important? They prevent the computer from overheating and keep it running smoothly. Prevent overheating. Fans and heatsinks prevent overheating by keeping the computer components cool during operation. Next, you can include 1. Graphic card or GPU stands for Graphic Processing Unit. Handles image, video, and animation. Important for gaming, video editing, and graphic design. Example: NVIDIA GeForce, AMD Radeon. The second, ports and connector allow you to plug in device like keyboards, mic, printers, and USB drives. Common ports include USB, HDMI, audio jacks, and Ethernet. They help your computer communicate with other devices. The three internal versus external components. Internal components, parts inside the computer case. Examples: CPU, RAM, hard drive, motherboard, power supply, GPU. External components, parts connect outside the computer. Example: monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, speakers. Next, conclusion. A computer is made up of many important parts, both inside and outside. Each part has a special job to help the computer work properly. Understanding these parts help us use, fix, and use computers more wisely. Together, all the components create the powerful machines we use every day. Next, thank you for watching. That's all from us regarding discussion about computer and what inside computer. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.